With the first golden rays of the sun, a new day begins as the Mahout takes charge, ready to care for the gentle giants. As the keys turn, carrying a legacy that has lasted for centuries, conservation begins with the first step into the footpath, and the day begins for the elephant keepers, the Mahouts. Dons his clothes with quiet pride, where trust is earned every day and friendship is measured in quiet touches and gentle rumbles. The home is set in order, leaves cleared, water refreshed, every inch prepared for comfort. In those deep, wise eyes, it holds centuries of memories and emotions. Yet, every morning begins anew with simple rituals of care and trust.
నా పేరు రామకృష్ణ. నేను విశాఖపట్నం జూపార్క్లో ఎలిఫెంట్ కీపర్గా పనిచేస్తున్నాను. మా జూలో 4 ఎలిఫెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. వాటి పేరు సరస్వతి, రాజు, కృష్ణ, లక్ష్మి.
They walk around the enclosure, trunks curling around fresh leaves, rustling branches, soft footsteps, the air alive with fluttering butterflies. When their trunks entwine, it's their way of showing trust, a silent bond of love and affection. At their keeper's call, heads lift, ears fan open, a low rumble answers. These giants know the voices that have guided them for years, and they respond every day, closing the space between human and elephant. Srimati G. Mangamma, curator and a human matriarch of the Indira Gandhi Zoological Park, is relentlessly working on the front lines to protect these elephants in captivity. Every morning, she joins the Mahouts, talking with them, ensuring the elephants' needs are well recognized and cared for. Bath time is pure joy. Cool water splashes around the bath as trunks sway and spray, sometimes playfully showering their keeper. When the splashing stops, the next ritual begins. Neem oil is applied to the skin, a natural shield against insects, a balm for the day ahead. Then the feast: warm ragi porridge, sugarcane, juicy watermelons, a banquet of fruits and leafy vegetables. Each serving is full of nourishment and carefully added supplements. Among them, Saraswati and Lakshmi, mother-daughter duo, love carrying sugarcane in their trunk as they stroll together. And as always, the same tender scene: Saraswati taking her share, then offering it to Lakshmi. After a hearty meal, the gentle giants bask in the sun, coating themselves with a layer of mud called mud bathing. The mud acts as nature's own shield against biting insects and a soothing ritual that protects their skin. Under the watchful care of senior veterinarian Dr. Bhanu, the elephants' health, strength, and well-being are carefully examined daily. He inspects their teeth and foot with precision while feeding amaranthus leaves and ensures required supplements to them. By midday, they meet their admirers. Gentle greetings, a playful splash; for the visitors, a memory; for the elephants, just another moment in their day.
என் பேர் சண்முகம் லட்சுமி. ஆனால் நல்லா என் கூட நல்லா பேசி கேட்கும். நான் என்ன சொன்னாலும் கேட்கும். அது வயிற்றுன்னு சொன்னால் கேட்கும். மல்லி அது எல்லாம் சொன்னோம்னா கால் மேலே தூக்கும். மல்லி படுக்க சொல்லியாச்சுன்னா எந்திரிக்க சொன்னோம்னு வச்சுக்கோம்.
As the sun sets, the elephants return. Bellies full, hearts warmed by the keeper's touch, ears still echoing with cheerful farewells from the day's visitors. Here, the Tuskers live in a world built on care, connection, and quiet strength. And with every rumble, every blink, every step, they place their trust in us. A trust as mighty and enduring as the elephants themselves. You too can be a part of this journey. Adopt an elephant for a day, a week, or a month and help support the conservation of these magnificent creatures, and adopters are eligible for up to 50% of the amount donated as exemption under Section 80G of the Income Tax Act 1961, Section 80G 5 and 6. IGPs, gentle giants, living symbols of strength, memory and care, await to share their stories with